Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We are in store over at Walgreens. This is for the week of July the 12th to the 18th. Some new deals here, not a bunch of old stuff, including a freebie, which we're loving. And yeah, it's just a quick week of quick deals and it's going to be great. These two we are going to touch on tomorrow's video, which is the curbside video. So for a lot of these deals, it's going to be using strict Walgreens cash, or if you want to roll your register rewards from last week to this week, that's also an option, but we're not going to do a big basket deal for this video. If you could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype the video, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you do one or both. The first freebie that we have is with the app IBOTTA. It is for a can of this Lipton Fusion in the flavor passion fruit lemonade. Has to be this exact one. I think if you live in a larger city, you're probably going to find it. You basically buy it and then submit it to IBOTTA. So yeah, really easy, quick, and forward deal. The next cheap drink deal that we have is with the Gatorade. These are 3 for $6 this week in store. You are doing these deals in store. Remember that. And we currently have a buy one, get one free coupon on these products, but the coupon is doing something different where it's taking $4 off. Sometimes with these Gatorade coupons, it tends to do that. So they could pull this at any time, but if you have this coupon loaded for these Gatorade waters, it makes it like super cheap. So grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be exactly $6. You need them in increments of 3, so 3 of them, $6. Subtracting that BOGO free coupon, $4 will come off. The final price point is $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per Gatorade water. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you just want a couple of these, when you're on the road, busy doing coupon deals or whatever, it's a great one to do. Okay, so now we have the Celsius deal. These guys are 3 for $6, which is already a good price because I think one of these Celsius at Walmart's like $2.79 for one can. So this stuff is expensive. Over on IBOTTA, 50 cents back, and you can do all 3 because the limit for this is up to 5. So grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be exactly $6. Then you're going to photograph your receipt to the IBOTTA app to get $1.50 back. 50 cents times 3, that's how I'm getting the math. Makes it $4.50 for the 3 or $1.50 per can. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you have not signed up with IBOTTA, sign up today, guys, because it's a terrific app. So many little savings that we all need right now with IBOTTA. Check out the link in the description if you want to sign up today. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, I think you're given a $5 bonus. Love IBOTTA. And yet we have another IBOTTA deal now with the KitKat. The KitKat cones are buy one, get one free, and IBOTTA has $1 back. And you see Walgreens is the first store itemized there in the list. So 2 of these, remember, buy one, get one free. So you're not going to pay for the second one. It's just $6.49 for the 2. Photograph your receipt for $2 back from IBOTTA. Makes it $4.49 for the 2 or $2.24 per pack of 4. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Bring a cooler to the store, especially if you live in a hot area like Southern California, so all of your treats don't melt. But yeah, talk about some nice beverages and ice cream today over at Walgreens. The next deal that we're looking at is the Scott toilet paper and paper towels. Now, I know the paper towel isn't everybody's favorite, so if you want to just do half the deal, you have that option as well. Currently this morning, we got a 2 off of 2 for both the paper towel and the toilet paper. I would just load both of them. I mean, it doesn't harm anything if you load both of them, but I know some of you just do not like that paper towel. I hear about it every week. But the toilet paper is really fantastic. So grabbing, say, 2 toilet papers and 2 paper towels, that would be $15. Remember, it's buy one, get one 50% off, and each unit is $5. So subtracting $2 for the toilet paper and $2 for the paper towel, that's 4 off. You're paying $11 for the 4 or $2.75 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is one item I would definitely stock up right now. Why not? Okay, so if you need this deal for Neutrogena makeup wipes, I think it's good, but we kind of need a booster or a paper booster to really make this one fly, if you know what I mean. If you have a 5 back when you spend 15, paper booster, it would be so much better. And if you have a display of this, those makeup bags, you're going to get one for free for buying 3 of these Neutrogena makeup wipes. They're currently on this promotion of buy 2, get 1 for free, and then that bag is additionally free. I thought we were going to get a $5 off the makeup wipes, but it's a 4 off a 2, so Aunt Rach had it wrong by $1. The 5 off is off of one of the $20 face creams, so we're going to pass on that one. But 3 of these makeup wipes, $7.49. You're basically buying 2, getting 1 for free. It's $14.98. Add that free little makeup bag. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $10.98 for the 3 or $3.66 per. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But for this one, if they have the makeup or if they have that makeup bag, grab it because it's just absolutely fantastic. You're getting, basically 4 items for basically $2.50 if you think about it. This also showed up. It's a Kenvu promotion of spend 20, earn back 5, spend 30 to earn back 10. With no booster this week, we just don't have a deal yet. But this is till the 1st of September, so we're going to wait on it. But if you want the makeup wipes, I think that's a great deal. Okay, so now we're looking at the smaller Head and Shoulders shampoo. And so you're going to have to look for them tagged in your store. And we currently have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, so you're going to load this little friend. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these Head and Shoulders this week, you get back a $4 register reward, I believe. Yep, $4 when you buy 2. So we're going to go for the cheapest ones at $7 a pop. So 2 of those is exactly $14. Subtracting the 3 off 2 coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Very delighted to see this deal back of the $3.50 tubes of toothpaste and then the $3.50 Oral-B toothbrushes. We have this really nice 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I used mine last week, so that's it for me. The promotion is when you buy 3 of these products, you're getting back a $5 register reward. So make sure you're grabbing the items that are tagged in store. This is a very straightforward deal to get these brushes for 16 cents, which I think is definitely a stock up price. So if you can track down 3 of these, it's going to be $10.50. Subtracting your 5 off 3 digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Please ask the cashier if the machine is working. Especially if you're going in first thing in the morning. You don't want to do a deal where the $5 register reward doesn't print and they're like, sorry. So ask, listen, pay attention. The next deal is on the TheraBreath, and I kind of thought that this might be a deal, but it in fact is a deal. If you could track down 5 of these at your store and you're specifically looking for the toothpaste, we got this morning, which is a 2 off a 1. A lot of stores also had $2 peelies for the longest time on these products, so if you could track down 4 of those, I think it's the only way to do it, or if you might have a booster, but it's a $15 register reward when you buy 5 of these, which is quite the tallest order. Look for the tags, guys. Can't stress it enough. At $6.99, 5 of them are $34.95. If you might have that digital along with 4 peelies, that's going to be $10 off. So you'd pay $24.95, get back a $15 register reward, making it $9.95 for the 5 or $1.99 per. If you might have a booster, like, spend 20 to earn back 5, like that paper booster, throw it into this. You need something a little bit more too to really get this one rocking and rolling. And IBOTTA might have rebates as the week marches on, so hang on to your receipt. But this is one I would, unless you absolutely need TheraBreath, it's still a bit rich. But if this is your thing, you also see the value at $1.99. It's never that cheap. But you know what is cheap? The Colgate Sensitive, which is an A+ toothpaste. I use this. My husband uses it. He doesn't even complain too much about it. This morning we got a new 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and I did this deal last week, and this guy showed up again, so I was like, oh, I need to stock up on more of this because it is a favorite in our household. So they are $5 each. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. So how great is that? So you're specifically looking for the Sensitive one. Again, listen, pay attention. Is that machine on? Ask the cashier very nicely, like, hey, is that machine working today? 2 of these for 10. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per tube. This is a price I'm willing to pay. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another super duper deal is the $4.99 P&G laundry care products. You're going to grab an assortment for that, and you're going to load an assortment of dollar digital coupons. $1 for the fabric enhancer, $1 for the bounce dryer sheets. Pay attention that you're seeing the tag of $4.99. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and that these items are ringing up for $4.99, the $1 for the liquid, and the $1 for the Tide Pods. It's on this goofy promotion of buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And this is usually 50 cents more every other week, but it's 50 cents less this week. Grabbing 4 of these products is $19.96. Subtracting $4 digitals, you're paying $15.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you are a newer couponer trying to build your stockpile, this is definitely the deal to do because some nice laundry care. We also have this promotion for laundry care, the 4 for 10, making each product $2.50. You have the magic erasers and these other magical products. If you wanted to stock up on the Tide Simply, I know a lot of people have kids home for the summer break and you're doing laundry like twice a day. So if you need this just as a meat and potato kind of laundry detergent for $2.50, it is with the Tide family. Maybe stock up, use some Walgreens cash or register rewards. And also the body wash, this is the final week for this at $8 each for the Doves. Buy 2, get back an $8 register reward, and we have this 5 off of 2 digital coupon. I know there was a FIFA coupon floating around, but I think it expired as of yesterday, I think. But a tall order to track down those FIFA body washes at any Walgreens. The promotion is when you buy 2, again, you get that $8 register reward. And last week, this was printing on Sunday, but then stopped printing on Monday. So pay attention if it prints for you, yes or no, because there was issues with this one last week. But 2 of the Doves for $16, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back an $8 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I would stock up on this one if you were busy last week, especially if you use like the Sensitive one. $1.50, we don't see that price point every other week, so I would do this deal. Okay, the last repeat deal from last week to this week is with the Dove shampoo if you want to do this deal. We currently have a, I believe it's a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And if you didn't do this deal last week, this coupon should be still in your account. Hopefully you still have it there. And the promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you get back a $4 register reward. So what we're going to do is grab 2 of these friends for $10. They're $5 each, the cheapest shampoos. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And the final 2 items that we're going to talk about in this video include the buy 1 get 2 for free promotions on the Walgreens small or medium trash bags. It basically shakes it out to $1.66 per box of bags. It's $4.99 for the first with 2 for free. Larges are not included. Also, we have the food storage bags by Walgreens. They are really fantastic. On a buy 1 get 2 for free promotion, you'll pay $2.79 for the first, get 2 for free, making it 93 cents per box of 20. It's definitely time to stock up on this, especially if you are a home cook grilling a lot for these summer months. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.